A great triumph for Muslim Ummah. On 29 August 2023, New York Mayor Eric Adams announced the new rules for Muslims. Adams said mosques will not need a special permit to publicly broadcast the Islamic call to prayer or Adhan on Fridays and a sundown during the holy month of Ramadan. Friday is the traditional Islamic holiday and Muslims break their fast at sunset during Ramadan. Adams said, "Today we are cutting red tape and saying clearly that mosques and houses of worship are free to amplify their call to prayer on Fridays and during Ramadan without a permit necessary." Flanked by Muslim leaders at a City Hall news conference, Adams said Muslim New Yorkers will not live in the shadows of the American dream while I am the mayor of the city of New York. The Adhan declares that God is great and proclaims the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as his messenger. The sound of the Adhan is not just a call to prayer, it is a call to unity, reflection, and community.